What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at while loop in Java programming. Now let's see how it's going to be. First I'm going to introduce integer, initializing integer with integer counter that is equal to 0. This is our initialization. If it's a for loop, we do this one within the loop, but if it's a while loop, we have to initialize before, then we are going to put the while loop. Within the while loop we are going to set the condition. Condition is counter is less than 10, so it means we are going to print out all the numbers less than 10. Here our purpose is to print out all the numbers less than 10, so I set the condition to be less than 10, and it should end at 0, and actually it should begin from 0 and end at 9. And to print out the numbers, I put system.out statement, system.out.println. This ln means the new numbers will go to the next line when we do it, when it loop it through this. So 0 will be first, then in the next line we will get the 1, and then next line we will get 2. That's what this ln means, ln for new line. Now here we want to print counter, so whatever the values in counter will go here. Since it's a variable, we should just put counter without the quote mark, because we want to print the values of this, not the counter. We want to print the values that is equal to counter. Okay, now to do the increment by 1, I put counter plus plus, so each time the number will be increased by 1, and that's it. Now let's go and run this one. And here you can see it's going from 0 to 9, and that's how while loop works in Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.